Welcome to another Homebyme tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of turning your designs into incredibly realistic images. Whether you're new to Homebyme or a seasoned user, this tutorial is filled with tips to enhance your design skills. Subscribe my channel for more Homebyme tutorials, and let's get started. Now, let's open our previous project, the one we created in the video on how to start a project. First, click on the camera icon and select the realistic image option. After clicking, Homebyme will ask if you want to start rendering. Click on Get Started because we want to render. Next, we'll go to the rendering settings. Let's set the angles. If setting 3D angles is a bit tricky, use options similar to those in Homebyme, like the Orbit tool or other camera options. There, all the angles are preset. Choose one that best showcases your design. I'll go with the first one, since it displays my design well. After selecting the angle, click on Personalize. This is where you can customize camera height, angle, and zoom settings if you want a custom setup. Now, let's adjust the timing to enhance the beauty of our design. Altering the timing can completely change the atmosphere of your design. To do this, you'll need to click on the three circles, then select a specific time that complements your design. After that, click on Personalize. Here, you can adjust the artificial light that's present in your design, adjust sunlight, and then set the background. Customize these settings, it's totally up to you. Please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content like this. Once you have finished, click on Render. After clicking on Render, the app will prompt you to select the quality. Since I don't have credits for 4K rendering, I'll choose HD rendering. Then, click on the blue icon to start rendering. Make sure to cover all angles of your room and click Render. Here are the rendered images that the Homebyme app will generate. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it informative, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot. Thanks again for watching.